Hello, welcome to Timber New. My name is Clint. I have an ever-growing clamp collection, and so I need to make a clamp rack. It's not exciting, but it has to be done. So I'm going to show you how I did it, and I hope you enjoy it. This was a very, very rough project. And just one to store clamps. That's its only purpose, is to store clamps. It doesn't look good. It's not built to any particular standard. But it does the job. It's going to hold clamps. That's all I want it to do. There's many clamp racks out there, but this is my one. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a design to copy, but maybe it's one to think about. Main things I was concerned about when building it was, will it hold to the wall? will these bits be strong enough, just having screws through the back to hold the clamps? And will there be enough space up here to clip my other clamps onto? They're the only thoughts I had in my head, really. I wasn't looking for any particular neatness, and obviously I was looking to make it as cheap as possible. Another thing I was concerned about with these G-clamps, and if this little bit here would hold them, but it seems to do a pretty good job of that. Hopefully it will continue to do so with continued abuse. Hopefully you enjoyed that build, but if you didn't, I understand why. It was very shoddy workmanship. But you know what, I wanted a clamp rack, so I made one, and it's about as simple as it gets. The next build will be a lot nicer, I promise. So hopefully you stick around for that one, and I'll catch you again soon. Thanks for watching.